Hey, what's up? This is J. Lucky Henry, and today we're going to talk about open house. What does it mean? Is a house open for everybody? A select few? Find out in today's video. This is J. Lucky Henry, Keller Williams agent in the greater Boston area. You won't believe how many people need to get real. REAL, Real Estate Explained amazingly by Lucky in 90 seconds, give or take. Welcome back, it's J. Lucky Henry. So we're talking about open houses. Now according to dictionary.com, that's when a real estate offering is made available to the public to come and preview it sans an appointment. So that means anyone in the general public is welcome to come to an open house. Sometimes there are exclusive open houses that require RSVP lists, but those aren't really open houses. We'll get into that in another video. So a couple things I want to talk about. One, the process of the open house, right? As you arrive to the house, there'll most likely be a sign-in sheet. It's going to ask you for basic information like who you are and how to get in touch with you. This is handy for two reasons. One, for the real estate agent to follow up with you to see what gauge your interest level in purchasing the property. But second, it's for safety reasons. Imagine a house where we don't know who's in the house. People have their valuables still sometimes, or just overall safety of everyone in the property. It's good to know who was there and who is there at the time. Second, after you've signed in, you go on a tour. This could be a guided tour with the listing agent or the open house host, or you can do the tour by yourself, or you can do it with your buyer's agent. Either way, you're gonna go and check out the property, so enjoy. And the last part of the process is questions and feedback, right? Whether you have some questions for the listing agent or the host, or you have some feedback that you wanna provide. This is kind of the process that you're gonna go through at an open house. Couple quick tips on etiquette. Be respectful of other people in the house, and be respectful of the sellers of the house. If everyone took their shoes off because it was a rainy day, perhaps you should take your shoes off as well. Now I understand that this is an exciting time where you're previewing a home that you may consider buying. So when looking around, you may find doors. Now if the door leads to another room or outside the property, that makes sense. You should totally open it and explore. But if the door leads somewhere else, perhaps a little bit more private, perhaps we should use our best judgment before opening places that may not be intended for us to look at today. This has been real. It's been about 90, so I'm gonna take off for today, but we're gonna be back tomorrow. We're gonna talk about what is a mega open house? How's it different from a regular open house? See you then. This is J. Lucky Henry, and I'm here to keep it real with you. Whether you're looking to buy, sell, or invest in real estate, call or text 978-712-0244, and make sure you subscribe to my channel for more. Another way they ask me how I know it'll be okay.